This video explains how information technology infrastructure is a critical component of modern businesses, enabling them to manage and process vast amounts of data in real time. The infrastructure comprises various interdependent components, including hardware, software, networks, data centers, security, people, and cloud services. Managing these components effectively is essential for ensuring the reliability, availability, and security of IT systems. This brief introduction outlines the key components of IT infrastructure according to Loudon, highlighting their independence and for the need for integrated management. The agenda presents the main topics that will be addressed, such as IT infrastructure components, computing hardware platforms, operating system platforms, enterprise software applications, data management and storage platform, networks telecommunication platform, internet platforms, and system integration consulting services. Information technology infrastructure is composed of various interdependent components that work together to provide support to an organization's business operation. These components include the computing hardware platforms, operating system platforms, enterprise software applications, data management and storage platforms, network communication platforms, internet platforms, and system integration consulting services. Effective management of these components is critical, ensuring to efficiency and effectiveness of an organization IT infrastructure, allowing into the process large amounts of data and meet business needs in real time. In this introduction, these critical components of IT infrastructure are highlighted as integral to supporting modern business operations. The IT infrastructure includes various interdependent components. Here are some of the key components of IT infrastructure. Hardware includes computers, servers, storage devices, network devices, and other physical equipment that make up the IT infrastructure. Software includes operating systems, applications, databases, and other software tools used to manage and process data. Networking includes the physical and logical infrastructure used to connect devices and systems within an organization and allow for data transfer. Data centers includes the physical and technological resources used to store, manage, and process an organization's data. Information security includes policies, procedures, and technologies used to protect confidential information and ensure user privacy. People includes IT professionals responsible for managing, management, and supporting the IT infrastructure. Cloud services includes IT infrastructure, platform, and software as a service offered by cloud providers to support cloud computing. Computing hardware platforms are the physical devices that make up the backbone of an organization's IT infrastructure. Includes servers, storage devices, desktop and laptop computers, and mobile devices. This platform must be carefully selected and used to meet an organization's specific needs, taking into account factors such as performance, scalability, reliability, and security. Advances in computing hardware technology, such as the development of multi-core processors and solid-state storage devices, have greatly increased the processing power and storage capacity of computing hardware platforms. Virtualization technology, which allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical machine, has also greatly increased the efficiency and flexibility of computing hardware platforms. Organizations must carefully manage and maintain their computing hardware platforms to ensure optimal performance and minimize downtime, including regular monitoring and maintenance of hardware components, software updates and patches, and backup and disasters recovery planning. Cloud computing has also transformed computing hardware platforms, allowing organizations to access computing resources on demand from remote data centers rather than managing their own physical infrastructure. This has greatly increased the scalability and flexibility of computing hardware platforms, but also introduced new challenges in terms of security and data privacy. Operating system platforms are software systems that manage computer hardware and software resources. They provide a user interface and service to support the execution of application software. Common types of OS platform include Microsoft Windows, Apple, Mac OS, and various flavors of Linux. Selection of OS platform should consider compatibility with existing hardware and software, security features, and support options. OS platform must be regularly updated and maintained with patches and security fixes. Virtualization technology allows multiple OS instances to run on a single physical machine, improving efficiency and flexibility. Cloud computing has also transformed OS platforms with cloud based on operating system, providing on-demand access to computing resources. However, cloud-based OS platform also introduce new concepts around data privacy and security. Enterprise software applications are specialized software systems designed to support specific business processes. They typically have a modular architecture with different modules or components addressing different functions such as accounting, human resources, and supply chain management. Integration between different modules is essential to ensure data consistency and accuracy. Implementation of enterprise software application can be complex and require significant investment in both software and human resources. Cloud-based enterprise software applications offer advantages such as scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. However, concerns around data security must be carefully addressed when using cloud-based solutions. Data management and storage platforms are essential components of IT infrastructure that handle to storage and retrieval of data. These platforms include hardware and software solutions that enable organizations to store and access data in a secure and efficient manner. Traditional data storage solutions such as hard disk drives and storage area networks are being supplemented and sometimes replaced by newer technologies such as solid-state drivers and cloud storage solutions. In addition to storage, data management platforms provide tools for data backup, recovery, and archiving. The growing volume of data being generated by organizations and driving the need for more advanced data management and storage solutions. Proper management of data is critical to ensure data quality, availability, and security. Network telecommunications platforms are a critical components of IT infrastructure, enable connectivity between devices and systems within an organization and secure and efficient transfer of data. These platforms include network hardware such as routers, switches, and cables, as well as network software such as communication protocols and network security systems. As companies become increasingly reliant on cloud solutions, network capacity becomes ever more crucial to ensure the availability and speed of data access. Additionally, the growing threat of cyber attacks makes network security an increasingly important concern of data organizations. Internet platforms refer to technology and service that enable the Internet to function. This includes web service which hosts websites and provide access to information through web browsers, as well as search engines and social media platforms that facilitate communication and information sharing. E-commerce platforms also fall under this category, providing a means of businesses to conduct transactions online. As the Internet continues to evolve, new technology and platforms such as blockchain and Internet of Things are emerging, expanding the capabilities and potential of the Internet. System integration consulting services involve the design, development, and implementation of solutions that enable various IT systems to communicate and work together assembly. This includes integrating hardware and software from different vendors, as well as legacy systems to create a unified and efficient IT environment. These services also involve the development of custom solutions that need to specific needs of organizations. System integration consulting services can help organizations improve their overall operational efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Information security refers that practices and technology used to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. This includes implementation measures such as firewalls, encryption, and access control to safeguard data, as well as development and enforcing policies and procedures to ensure proper handling and storage of information. Information security is becoming increasingly important as organizations collect and store more data and face growing threats from cyber attacks. Effective information security practices can help mitigate these risks and protect an organization's reputations and bottom line. Cloud services refer to the delivery of computing resources, including software, storage, and processing power over the Internet. These resources are provided on a subscription basis and can be rapidly scaled up or down to meet the needs of an organization. Cloud services can be divided in three main categories: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Provides access to software applications over the Internet. A platform for developing and deploying applications as EIA provides access to virtualized computing resources as a service, storage, and networking. Cloud services offer main benefits including reduced costs, increased flexibility, and improved scalability. However, they also raise concerns around the data security and privacy, which must be carefully managed. In conclusion, the components of IT infrastructure include hardware, software, networks, data center, information security, people, and cloud services. These components work together to support an organization's operations, enabling connectivity, communication, data storage, processing, and security. As technology continues to evolve, new components may emerge, and existing components may undergo changes to meet the needs of organization. Therefore, it's important for organizations to stay informed about the latest developments in IT infrastructure to leverage the benefits of technology of their operations.